Welcome to our self-haircut showdown. Today we're comparing two popular grooming tools, the Remington Shortcut Pro and the TPOB Play Barber Hair Clippers. We'll dive into their features, pricing, and overall performance to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. The Remington Shortcut Pro is priced at just $59, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the TPOB Play Barber Hair Clippers come in at a hefty $199, reflecting their professional-grade features and capabilities. While the Remington offers great value, the TPOB targets those seeking premium performance. When it comes to motor power, the TPOB Play Barber Clippers boast a dual-speed motor that can reach up to 7,500 RPM, providing efficient cutting through thick hair. On the other hand, the Remington Shortcut Pro features a standard motor that, while effective, may not match the power and speed of its competitor. This difference can significantly impact your cutting experience, especially for those with thicker hair types. The Remington Shortcut Pro is designed for versatility, offering 9 length settings and a waterproof design, making it suitable for various grooming needs. In contrast, the TPOB Play Barber Clippers focus on professional features, including customizable grips and quiet operation, catering to users looking for precision and comfort during longer grooming sessions. Depending on your needs, one may be more suitable than the other. In conclusion, both the Remington Shortcut Pro and TPOB Play Barber Hair Clippers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Remington is a fantastic budget option for at-home haircuts, while the TPOB offers professional features for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison helped you decide which clipper is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming